Alright, so we're here with this 1934 Packard 8 Convertible Victoria. This is Series 11, Model 02. Highly restored, previously shown at Pebble Beach, Meadowbrook, and many other Concours events. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick cold start. So inside, as you can see, our dash here, key goes in on the right here. And if you watch the ammeter, there you go, we got good amps. And essentially, all you need to do to start this car, make sure we're in neutral. This car, the Stromberg carburetor, has an automatic choke, so we just depress the throttle once. I'll actually set the hand throttle up just a little bit because it is ice cold, and we will go ahead and just push the starter. See our oil pressure rising right there. Our gasoline gauge. Temperature. That is our 8-day clock.